Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, July the 16th at Dollar General. And in this video, I have a total of 6 awesome laundry deals to share with you all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so first up, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So when you are in the store, it is very important to scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. And then I also want to give you all a quick friendly reminder for those of you who got in on the P&G spend deals that we had last week and the week before. If y'all have any more of those 501 coupons, you need to make sure that you use them either today or tomorrow because those coupons do expire tomorrow. So Saturday is the last day that y'all can use those 501 coupons. Alright, so for our first scenario, we are going to be incorporating the instant savings that is going on right now on Colgate, Irish Spring, Suavitel, Ajax. There's a lot included. So we're going to include that instant savings deal into this first scenario. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Colgate Max White toothbrushes at $3, one of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste at $2.85, one of the Irish Spring body washes or the 8-count bar soap at $5, one of the Ajax dish soap for $2, one of the Arm & Hammer laundry detergents at $4.25, 2 of the Febreze air fresheners at $6.50. Those are $3.25 each, and you can choose from the small spaces or the wax melts if you don't want the air freshener sprays. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Mr. Clean Magic erasers for $2 found in the dollar aisle for $1 each, one of the Puffs tissue cubes for $1.70, and 2 of the Baby Ruth candy bars at $1.50. They're on sale, buy one get one free, but they're regularly priced at $1 each. Now that's going to bring your subtotal to $28.80, but that $3 in instant savings is going to come off first at the register, and that's going to bring your new subtotal down to $25.80. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Colgate toothbrush, the 1 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, the 1 off 1 Irish Spring, the 25 cents off 1 Ajax dish soap, the 2 off 1 Arm & Hammer, the $3.30 off of 2 Febreze products, the 1 off 2 Mr. Clean, the 1 off 1 Puffs, and the 75-cent off 2 Baby Ruth candy bars. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons all the way down to $9.50 for all 12 items, making each one just 79 cents each. Alright, now for our second scenario, we have Tide, Downy, Bounce, and Snuggle products. Now this is a great deal, but if you guys want to hold off until next week, I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a little heads up that we have the Tide Simply going on sale next week for $2.95. But if you want to go ahead and do this deal, it's still a great deal this week as well. Maybe you have multiple accounts and you can do Tide this week and next week. But here's a scenario for you. You can pick up 2 of the Tide Simply Liquid or the pods at $7.90. They're $3.45 each. One of the Downy fabric softeners priced at $3.45, one of the Bounce 60-count dryer sheets at $3.45, and one of the Snuggle scent packs for $4.75. So those are the scent booster packs, not the beads. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Mr. Clean Magic erasers for $2. Those are $1 each, one of the Puffs tissue cubes at $1.70, and one of the AZO 20-count tablets at $3.45. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 50-cent off 1 Tide Simply, the 150 off 1 Tide, the 150 off 1 Downy, the 150 off 1 Bounce, the 1 off 1 Snuggle, the 1 off 2 Mr. Clean, the 1 off 1 Puffs, and the 5 off 1 AZO tablets. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $8 for all 9 items, making each one just 88 cents each. Now, I would just about put money on it that some of you out there are wondering, hey, where are those 150 off 1 coupons coming from for the Tide and the Downy and the Bounce? And y'all are about to see some gain coupons as well. Now, if you missed it, I did upload a video earlier this week with some new exclusive coupon links. So if you want to get in on these exclusive coupons, these high value coupons on Tide, Downy, Bounce, and Gain products, you need to go and check out that video, and I have all of the links and the coupon matchups in that video for you. So I'm going to have that video linked in the pinned comment down below. So just in case you missed it, make sure that you go back and check it out, because these coupons, a lot of them do not expire until the end of the month. So we will definitely have some more awesome scenarios next week as well. Alright guys, now we're about to get into some gain scenarios. I have a total of 4 to share with you all. There's a lot of different ways that you guys can mix and match, but there are some important details that you all need to remember. First up, scan, scan, scan. You want to make sure that you are scanning each and every gain scented product that you pick up to include in these scenarios, because you want to make sure that the gain DG store coupon shows up underneath each gain or gain scented product, because that gain DG store coupon does not always work with all gain products or all gain scented products. So make sure that y'all scan, scan, and scan again. Now the other thing I want y'all to keep in mind this week is that we have lower value 1-off-1 gain coupons, and you guys are going to want those 1-off-1 coupons to attach to specific products. That way your higher 150 off 1 coupons can attach to the products that those coupons are meant for, okay? So how we work around that at Dollar General is you're going to want to look at these scenarios and really pay attention when you go up to the register. I have pretty much listed it out how you need to ring them up or set them up on the counter, or however you want to do it. But the most important thing to pay attention to is about the first 3 or 4 items. You want to make sure that you're paying attention to these scenarios. Pull out the list or the screenshot or whatever you have, and make sure that you ring up those first 3 or 4 items in the order that I have listed on these scenarios. Alright, now we're going to talk about this a little bit more as we walk through this scenario. So for this one, you want to ring up one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents for $5.50 first. Then you want to ring up one of the Gain powder laundry detergents, the flings, the fireworks, the sheets, or the fabric softener for $4.50. Y'all can choose which item you want to pick up, but ring that one up second. Then the rest of these items, you're pretty much good to go. Pick up one of the Gain flings for $4.50, one of the Gain scent beads at $4.50, one of the Gain dryer sheets for $4.50, one of the Gain fabric softeners at $3, and 2 of the Gain dish liquids at $4. They're on sale this week, 2 for $4. That's going to bring your subtotal to $30.50. Now, here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons, and of course here is the order. So hopefully this will make a little bit more sense if you guys go back and look at that first slide and compare it to the list of the coupons. You guys will see what I'm talking about if you're a little bit confused. So we have the 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon, the 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Gain liquid laundry detergent, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 150 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 1 off 1 Gain or Downy scent beads, the 150 off 1 Gain or Bounce dryer sheets, the 150 off 1 Gain or Downy fabric softener, and the 1 off 2 Gain dish soap. Now that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons all the way down to $11.50 for all 8 items, making each one just $1.43 each. Alright, now here is our second Gain scenario, and again you want to make sure that you have those first 2 or 3 items ringing up in the order that I have listed here. So pick up one of the Gain powder laundry detergents, the flings, the fireworks, the sheets, the fabric softener for $4.50. Y'all can choose which one you want to pick up. Then pick up one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents for $5.50, one of the Gain fabric softeners for $3, 2 of the Gain dish soaps, they're on sale 2 for $4, 2 of the Febreze air fresheners for $6.50. Those are $3.25 each, and make sure that they are Gain scented. Now you could also choose from the small spaces or the wax melts as long as they are Gain scented. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Gain scented Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners for $6.50. Those are also $3.25 each, and that's going to bring your subtotal to $30 right on the dot. Alright, and here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario, but y'all may notice up in that top right hand corner, I just covered up the 150 off 1 bounce coupon. You guys do not need that for this scenario. That was just a little mistake on my part, but quick reminder, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me, okay? Alright, now here is your list of coupons. Of course, you're going to need that 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon, the 5 off 25 DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, another 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 150 off 1 Gain or Downy fabric softener, the 1 off 2 Gain dish soap, the 330 off of 2 Febreze products, and the 1 off 2 Mr. Clean products. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $11.20 for all 9 items, making each one just $1.24 each. Alright, now for our third Gain scenario, you want to pick up one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents at $5.50, two of the Gain flings at $9, those are $4.50 each, one of the Gain fabric softener priced at $3, one of the Gain dryer sheets priced at $3, two of the Gain dish soaps for $4, and two of the Febreze air fresheners at $6.50, those are $3.25 each, and again, make sure that they are Gain scented, and you can mix and match with the small spaces or the wax melts. So that's going to bring your subtotal to $31. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need that 5 off 30 Gain, the 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, another 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 150 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 150 off 1 Gain and Downy fabric softener, the 150 off 1 Gain and Bounce dryer sheets, the 1 off 2 Gain dish soap, and the 330 off 2 Febreze products. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $10.20 for all 9 items, making each one just $1.13 each. Alright, now for our fourth and lowest out-of-pocket Gain deal, you want to pick up two of the Gain fireworks at $9, those are $4.50 each, one of the Gain flings at $4.50, one of the Gain fabric softener at $3, one of the Gain dryer sheets at $3, two of the Gain dish soaps for $4, and two of the Febreze air fresheners at $6.50, those are $3.25 each. Again, you can mix and match with the small spaces or the wax melts, just make sure that they are Gain scented and scan, scan, scan. That's going to bring your subtotal to $30 right on the dot. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need that 5 off 30 Gain, the 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 150 off 1 Gain and Downy scent beads, the 150 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 150 off 1 Gain and Downy fabric softeners, the 150 off 1 Gain and Bounce dryer sheets, the 1 off 2 Gain dish soap, and the 330 off 2 Febreze products. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons all the way down to $8.70 for 9 items, making each one just 96 cents each. Alright guys, so that is it for our 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday at Dollar General. But before you all go, don't forget to go back and check out that video and get in on those exclusive coupons. In that video, I go over all the coupon matchups, plus I give you guys the link so that y'all can add those coupons onto your accounts. So make sure that you go and check out that. I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. Now, if you're looking for even more couponing deals that y'all can do this Saturday, go and check out my Family Dollar video. I uploaded that a few days ago. I go over all of the awesome coupon matchups, so there's a lot of different ways that y'all can mix and match. We have freebies and glitches. Plus, in that video, I give you all a 5 off $25 scenario that is a super low out-of-pocket deal. So definitely go and check out that one as well. I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you good luck with your 5 off $25 scenarios. And once you're done shopping, don't forget to come back and tell me about it. Let me know how it all worked out for you. Now, before you guys go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on those notifications because you don't want to miss out on any awesome deals. And last Saturday, we had an absolutely awesome run glitch, and that may happen again this Saturday. You just never know. So make sure that you have those notifications turned on. Please hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help support this channel. And as always, y'all know I love hearing from you, so leave me a comment down below and take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.